Hello everyone, today I'll be demonstrating a Monero transaction. I'm making this video because when I searched up a Monero transaction demo, nothing showed up. So that's why I'm going to do it so that other people who search it up are greeted with my video and my voice but I'm just kidding about that last part, by the way. But anyways, you open up the Monero GUI, the download links are on the official website, you sync your wallet, which it should already be synced. I recommend you have your wallet synced before, and then you close it, and then you open it so that you avoid any issues. There are some user experience problems with the wallet, but this video is not about that. It's just about a technical demo. Now, all you have to do is do this, and as you can see, the transaction got created. Now, to protect my privacy, I don't want to, actually, no, I'll blur it afterwards, but I don't want to show this transaction ID. So I'll blur that. But as you can see, it took 5 minutes. Okay? Sorry, I meant it took 5 seconds. But I don't think the person watching this video is going to actually use that as a strawman argument because I misspoke. But anyways, that's how fast it was.